Okay, 2024 Acura GLX or GRL. Acura RL 2024. Okay, to clear all the memories, we hold down those two outsides. Okay, that clears memory from everything. Now we want to code, get my finger here, code the first one. Okay, nothing's been coded on that one yet. I'm holding it, got it. Okay. That one is working actually. Okay, so I'm going to code the second one. I'm going to hold that there. Got it. Okay. And let's see if that one goes. Okay, they both work. 2024 Acura RL, non-touch screen with a little keypad there. Chamberlain 3.0 security, and that's how you program it.